The next topic of today's lecture belonging to genetics, that is chromosomal alternations. We have two types of chromosomal alternations: numerical, yes, and structural chromosomal alternations. In previous lecture, we have discussed in detail about numerical chromosomal aberrations. These alternations are alternatively called as aberrations. And locally called as abnormalities. So you must have understood the concept of chromosomal abnormalities, alternations or aberrations. This is genetic word. This is given in your syllabus, which means abnormalities. In previous lecture we have studied about numerical chromosomal abnormalities, where we have seen that number of chromosome changes. Yes. So we, for example, human have 46 chromosomes in their somatic cell, which means in our gamete we will have 23 chromosomes, which is a haploid condition as well as you can say monoploid condition. Monoploid are different from haploid, we have discussed in detail. But what will happen if structure or morphology of particular chromosome changes? एखाद्या क्रोमोझोमचं स्ट्रक्चर चेंज होईल. When particular chromosomes morphology get disturbs, it will come under structural chromosomal abnormalities or structural chromosomal alternations. So structure, what do you mean by a structure? This is a typical chromosome. This is also a typical chromosome. The difference between these chromosomes, that this chromosome consists only one chromatid and this chromosome have two chromatids, which are often called as sister chromatids. In these chromosomes we have centromere region, we have telomere region. Okay. When structure of particular chromosome changes, it may fall into certain categories, such as I wrote this. कुठल्या categories आहे बघू. When structure of chromosome get disturbs, when structure of particular chromosome get disturbs, it may be of two types. With respect to change in a number of genes in that chromosome, change in number of genes in that chromosome. Okay. And another one is change in sequence of genes on that chromosome. It is very easy to remember. What do you mean by change in a gene number and change in a sequence of gene? You have to understand this first. This is a typical chromosome where you have centromere, and in genetics we have said that there are genes present on these chromosomes. We can study the position of each gene and distance between particular genes with the help of gene map. We have 3-point test cross to create gene map. हो ना, का विसरले तुम्ही? जीन मॅप आपण तयार करतो. त्यात आपण असं म्हणतो की या ठिकाणी जीन X असेल, या ठिकाणी जीन P असेल, या ठिकाणी जीन T असेल, इथं A असेल, इथं D असेल, इथं E असेल, इथं B असेल. This is normal morphology of this chromosome, which is having genes. इथं centromere आहे, इकडे telomere आहे. What will happen if this chromosome loses its E and B gene? These E and B gene are completely or permanently get lost. Then in which category you will study this type of chromosomal aberration? Structural chromosomal aberration मध्ये येईल ते automatically. Structural chromosomal aberration मध्ये दोन प्रकार पडलेले. Here we can see that number of genes are getting changed. Initially it had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 genes. Now it is having only 5 genes. Means number is getting changed. You have to understand this. इथं काय आता E, इथं B. Number is getting changed. म्हणून तुम्ही या कॅटेगरीला स्टडी करू शकता. But what will happen if this will change into this? बरोबर ना? वन टू थ्री फोर फाइव काय राहिलं? ए. तर याला काय म्हणणार तुम्ही? Number are remaining same. 7 genes were present in normal chromosome. 7 genes are present in this chromosome also. But sequence is getting changed. So chromosome in which gene sequence is getting changed. Some genes are shifting or changing their position is come under this category. Changes in sequence of gene. So structure of chromosome is getting changed. Morphology of that chromosome is getting changed. Here you can see if this chromosome was acrocentric. इथे घेऊ आपण सेंट्रोमियरला. Now this type of chromosome is metacentric. So chromosomal morphology is getting changed or not? झालं ना morphology change. क्रोमोझोमची morphology acrocentric to metacentric झालं. So chromosomal morphology changes. आपलं जे टॅगलाइन होती की in both scenario you have to mention this word in your answer in relation with structural chromosomal aberration, that yes, morphology of that particular chromosome changes.
सर म्हणजे थोडंसं जरी सेंट्रोमेअरची पोझिशन चेंज झाली तर मॉर्फोलॉजी चेंज होते.
Morphology of chromosome is not dependent on only position of centromere. फक्त सेंट्रोमियरच्या पोझिशन वरती डिपेंडेंट नाही morphology of that particular chromosome. There are various factors are involved also, but you have to understand this first, that morphology of particular chromosome get changes, which is not only dependent on centromere position. Some chromosome, when you draw diagrammatically, you draw like this, or you may draw like this. What do you do while you draw chromosome structure? You always try to draw in picture form. एकदम तुम्ही straight दाखवता, एकदम straight दाखवता. असं कधी नसतं. Chromosome in nature may look like this. This may be the structure of chromosome while you actually observe chromosome under microscope. So obviously morphology of the chromosome will definitely get changed. आणि आम्हाला हे पर्टिक्युलर शेप आहे ना, काहीतरी जळलंय का? Okay. So morphology of that particular chromosome is getting changing because of sequence of genes which are present on that chromosome are getting changed. हे एकमेकांवर डिपेंडेंट आहे. काय अवघड नाही, लक्षात ठेवायला काय तुम्हाला डिफिकल्ट नाही. Don't forget this word. Morphology of chromosome is getting changed. If human being having 46 chromosomes and still it consists 46 chromosome, but you can see there are chromosomal abnormalities. Definitely, number of all total chromosomes are remaining same. It means morphology of each and every chromosome or at least one chromosome is getting changed. सगळ्या क्रोमोझोम बरोबर एकाच टाइमला क्रोमोझोमल एबर्वेशन होत नाही. Not all chromosomes will show chromosomal structural chromosomal aberration at one time. Structural chromosomal aberration व्हायचे causes कुठले कुठले ते पण आपल्याला बघितले पाहिजे. So we have to study why structural chromosomal happens. Causes of structural chromosomal aberration. Causes. Cause means which factors are responsible for structural chromosomal aberrations. What will happen which may lead to the structural chromosomal aberrations? Here we are saying that number of gene in that chromosome are getting changed. So I am assuming that you have studied about genes function in chromosome. तुम्हाला माहिती जीन काय रोल करतात हे मी गृहीत धरून बोलतो. If you have no idea about role of gene in chromosome, tell me, I will highlight this.
कंटिन्यू करता है.
तुमचं आहे का?
हो. ऍक्च्युली राहिलेली सेटला कंप्लीट करून घेतले असते असते.
एक 10 मिनिटं
हां चालेल.
एवढा पॉईंट घेतो. काय म्हणतो तुम्ही आता? हाँ, if you have studied the role of gene in that chromosome, it will be easy for you to understand whatever I am trying to tell you here. The number of genes in chromosome are getting changed because of either the segment of chromosome is getting deleted, which is known as deletion. आपण बोललो नाही का मगाशी? If this portion is getting or this chromosome loses its section, it is deletion. Or what will happen? One section in chromosome getting duplicated. This is normal condition. What will happen? This section is getting duplicated again. Chromosomal morphology changes or not? Yes, change होते ना, काही होते तिकडे पण change तर होते ना morphology मध्ये. So you can see duplication. Here we are studying that chromosomal morphology is getting changed because of either segment of chromosome is getting deleted or one segment of chromosome is getting duplicated itself. Initially it had only 7 genes. Now this chromosome having 9 genes. 2 add झाले ना. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why? One segment is getting duplicated. In that segment 2 genes were there. Yes or no? Yes. So here what will happen if sequence of gene is getting changed and number remain constant? Means what? My diagram I will explain. मला काय म्हणायचं ते समजून घे. होला हो म्हणू नका. काय म्हणतोय मी? इथं क्रोमोझोम आहे तुमचं. There are 5 genes A, B, C, D, E. If this section B, C, D is getting reversed in this manner, A, D, C, B and E, number remain constant. 5 genes were there and 5 genes are here, but sequence of these genes is getting changed. So this type of chromosomal aberrations fall into the category of inversion. Fall into the category of inversion. Sometimes what happens? This chromosome sends its fragment into another non-homologous chromosome. When particular chromosome sends its copy or fragment into non-homologous chromosome. What do you mean by non-homologous chromosome? पेयर मध्ये नाही. This non-homologous chromosome had 3 genes. This chromosome is sending these 2 genes into this chromosome and receiving 2 genes here. दोन पाठवले दोन घेतले. Number remain constant. So you can say they are translocating. Number remains constant.
जीन्स चेंज होऊ शकतात.
होऊ शकतात ना.
पण जीन्स म्हणजे ते सिमिलर कॅरेक्टर वाले जीन्स येतात का दुसरं पण नाही?
It does not matter to which character the genes are performing. It's not our duty to find out to which character the genes are doing or functioning. Here we just want to study about morphology of chromosomes getting changed because either number of genes are getting less or more or sequence of those genes are getting altered. Sequence alternation होते विषय संपला आपल्यासाठी. हा लक्षात मला काय म्हणायचंय. Here it is just a general information how structural chromosomal aberration can be studied either on the basis of change in a number or change in a sequence of genes. This translocation is more deep and consists 90% weightage in structural chromosomal aberrations. Whatever point you are going to study in structural chromosomal aberrations, out of those points, translocation has we can say most important topic in structural chromosomal aberration is translocation. This one. So in translocation we have simple translocation, reciprocal translocation, which are the subtypes we will discuss in next lecture. Here just I am highlighting you basic scenario which will help you to remember these concepts. ह्याच्यात काय डाऊट येऊन नका देऊ मनामध्ये दुसरं. हे फक्त असंच एवढं लक्षात ठेवा. अप टू सर्टन TOEIC level. If you are studying for a CSIR competitive examination, then things will change somewhat. Many things will added here. पण ते काय तेव्हाच्या गोष्टी तेव्हा बघू आपण काय असतं. पण आता तरी एवढं तरी सफिशियंट आहे तुम्हाला माहिती असणार. दिस इज नॉट एंड ऑफ दिस लेक्चर. हे फक्त एक आहे इंट्रोडक्टरी लेक्चर. We are going to study each and everything in the detail, how deletion takes place, which are subtype of deletion, and which are the causes of deletion on particular cell with respect to example, which are the subtype of duplication, how duplication takes place, and effect of this duplication on particular organism. Many structural chromosomal aberrations are lethal. Lethal means which can cause death of that organism. Inversion also same. Causes of inversion, why inversion takes place, what are the effect of inversion. So each and everything we will discuss in detail in this lecture. Here after I have just tried to explain you the basic of structural chromosomal aberration. We have completed numerical chromosomal aberrations. In that, just one point or one thing is remaining, that examples of numerical chromosomal aberrations in plants. I have tried to cover numerical chromosomal aberration with respect to human being point of view. The example आपण तेव्हा बघू. So I will stop here. If you have any query, ask me questions. Rather, we can ask questions in next lecture where we will discuss in more detail.